Hi everyone, this is Gaurav Agrawal and welcome to another very informative video, and it's about the 5 steps to make manual campaigns profitable for the beginners. So in this video I'm going to give you the 5 exact steps which you can follow along and do and make your manual campaigns a profitable ones. So the first one is keyword research, and for running any campaigns you need to do the keyword research on Amazon. The keywords are the most important parts. If you are putting a good keywords, you will get the good results, and if you are not putting the good keywords, you are going to get the bad results. By results, I don't only mean the sales, I mean the ACOS. No matter how much you sales get, if you're not making profit, that's a failed business. So you can find the keywords if you are running the auto campaigns, and from there you can find some keywords that are well in your ACOS and put those keywords into that broad match. We just need to find 5 to 8 keywords, and if you're not running the auto campaign, then simply what you can do, you can go to Helium 10 and find the keywords that are making that have a medium search count and have a low competition, or you can simply go for medium or the low search count keywords and put those keywords into your campaigns. The second thing is bids. Now, how we are going to decide what bid we need to put over there? That's one of the trickiest question, and I was always confused until I found the answer. The answer is simple. We need to try the things. We need to try the different bids. To start with, we are going to give the suggested bid plus 25%. Let's say the suggested bid is $1, then you can go for $1.25 in your bid and let it run for 10 days. And after 10 days, what you will do, you will take the data from the first 7 days, leaving the last 3 days, because Amazon gives you exact data after the 48 hours. It might be the case that if a sale has happened on that keyword today, but it will be shown in our reports the day after. So for that, we are giving a buffer of 3 days to get the reports. And after you get the reports, just look for the the results. There might be some wins, there might be some losses. It's a part of the game. By wins, I mean you will have a pretty good ACOS. By losses, I mean you will have no sales, but those keywords are eaten up all your ad spend. It's a simple scenario. Go over there. If a keyword has been clicked around 8 to 10 times, haven't generated any sales, simply remove that keyword. Or if it has, then what you need to do, you need to adjust your bids. Now you know that the keywords with the very which are pretty high in the ACOS. Let's say your target ACOS is 40% and you are getting a 100%. You need to reduce that bid price. Reduce the bid price by 20 to 25% and see its performance in the next cycle. And there might be some wins where the ACOS should be like 10%. You need to increase their bids by 20 to 25% and see the results. So this is what the second point, it's called the bids. And the third point is that keyword optimizations. Now you have a whole lot of data with you. There might be some keywords that are working, there might be some keywords that are not working. So now we are going to remove those keywords who have a pretty high ACOS or no ACOS and surpass their threshold value of 8 to 10 clicks. Put all those keywords into the negative exact match. By putting them on the negative exact match, you are blocking them for showing up for the different queries of the customers, because we haven't generated any sales from those keywords. We are just spending money. But with the other two keywords, we have found a set of keywords that are working. Now you will understand what type of keywords are working for your product, and what type of product that people are looking for. And you can also adjust your images, your text, or your A plus listing uh, on the Amazon side or your product listing side to make it more fruitful. Let's say if I'm searching for red shoes and all the the images have some red tone of the background, it's going to work very well because they're searching for the red shoes and you have all the tones of the red in your images. That will make more sense. The fifth one is, sorry, the third one is ACOS control. So what will happen when you start bidding? The ACOS will go high. ACOS will go way above. Let's say you have an expected ACOS of 40%, it can go up to 120%, 150%. How you can control the ACOS? By doing the second and third steps, bid optimization and the keyword optimization. That's the very, very important step. You just need to do these steps and your ACOS will get in control. But before that, you need to decide your ACOS. Decide your ACOS, do bid optimization, negate those keywords that are not performing, and that's the thing. That's the only crux of whole thing. And side by side, so the fifth point which I'm talking about, you will get more keywords. That would called keyword harvesting. In this process, you will find more keywords that are working because you are running broad matches. In the broad match, you will have, let's say, the white shoes with blue laces, white shoes with blue soles. And if the people are buying after searching for those keywords, that means your product is pretty relevant to those keywords. And do one thing, simply add those keywords to the exact campaign or to the phrase campaign and start and perform these steps which I have told you, the bid optimization, the keyword optimization, and ACOS control over there, and you will have a pretty good campaigns. And it's an ongoing process. You can't leave a campaign to run at its own because they will need some bid optimization, keyword optimization. And thank you guys. It was Gaurav Agrawal. Do subscribe to this channel for more informative video about the Amazon selling. And thank you.